In this video, I'll explain what a C-chart is, what C-chart data looks like, and 3 methods for creating a C-chart using QI macros. A C-chart is used when the opportunity for errors is large, but the actual occurrences are low. For example, injuries at a plant or medication errors in a hospital. C-chart data is attribute or counted, and the sample size is either unavailable or very large. C-chart data often consists of just one column of labels and one column of values. Let's take a look at the 3 methods for creating C-charts using QI macros. Method number 1, a quick C-chart for existing Excel data. If you already have data collected in an Excel spreadsheet, simply highlight your labels and data, then find the C-chart in the Control Charts section of the QI macros menu under Attribute. QI macros will create your C-chart, perform stability analysis, and highlight unstable points and trends on the chart and in the data. Here's another quick chart method. Highlight your data and labels and click Control Chart Wizard. The wizard will identify your data as C-chart data, create your C-chart, perform stability analysis, and highlight unstable points and trends. Method number 2, a C-chart template. Use a template for ongoing data collection. The template charts populate automatically as you enter data. You can save the template to add more data to it in the future. Find the C-chart template in the Control Chart Templates section of the QI macros menu under Attribute. The template opens to a worksheet of instructions. There's a worksheet tab for each type of attribute template. Click the links in the instruction sheet to learn more about them. Select your C-chart template. Simply type or paste your data in the input area, and the chart will populate automatically. To analyze stability, first click the chart, then click the QI Macros Chart tab and select Analyze Stability. QI macros will highlight unstable points and trends on the chart and in the data. Save your template with a unique and meaningful file name to continue adding data to it in the future. Method number 3, the C-chart dashboard. Dashboards allow you to track multiple data sets or metrics from one place. You can quickly update these data sets from one worksheet. You can also organize multiple control charts on one page for easy viewing and presentation. You'll find the C-chart dashboard under Control Chart Templates. In the Control Chart Dashboard section, select CNP-PU Dashboard. The dashboard opens to a worksheet containing instructions and links to additional free online training resources. There's a worksheet tab for each type of chart. Click the Datasheet tab to begin. Here, you can input data for up to 30 charts. All data sets will share the same X-axis labels, so these labels should be relevant to all of your charts. Once you've input your data in the datasheet, click the Chart Worksheet tab to view your charts. Click the Next and Previous buttons to page through the charts for each of your data sets. To display all of your charts on one worksheet, click the Create Dashboard button. You only need to click this button one time, the first time you create the dashboard. QI macros will create an individual worksheet tab for each of your charts, and a dashboard displaying all of your charts on one worksheet. Be sure to save your dashboard with a unique and meaningful file name. As I'll show here, you may continue adding data and update your dashboard charts in the future. When you're ready to add more data, click the Datasheet tab. Simply type or paste your additional data into the cells below your existing data and choose one of these 3 options. Refresh your charts to include your new data. This function will not perform stability analysis. Refresh your charts to include your new data and indicate which stability analysis rules have been violated. Or, as in this example, refresh your charts to include your new data and perform stability analysis. The charts have been updated to highlight unstable points and trends and to display your additional data. The charts on the dashboard will also be updated. If you'd like to add an additional chart to your dashboard, first add the data to the datasheet. Then click your Chart Worksheet tab. Click the Next or Previous buttons to locate your new chart. Then click the Add this chart to dashboard button. Your new chart will be added to your dashboard. So we learned that C-charts are used when the opportunity for errors is large, but the actual occurrences are low. We learned that C-chart data is attribute or counted, and the sample size is either unavailable or very large. And we learned that C-charts can be created in QI macros using 3 methods: a quick chart, a template, or a dashboard. Thanks for watching.